Does coronavirus lead to stomach pain? What to do if you have upset stomach in this corona times? Let me tell you about some abdominal symptoms that you may have due to coronavirus. Let me give you some simple steps which will help you handle abdominal issues which may look like corona symptoms but they are not. Hi, I am Dr. Yuvraj Singh Gehlot from Bangalore. I am a colorectal and endoscopic surgeon for the last 17 years and my expertise is digestive health. Now one thing is very clear that corona affects different people in different ways. One positive aspect out of this is that most of the infected people will develop only mild to moderate illness and they will recover without hospitalization. While all of us develop our immunity, it makes sense to be aware of and also be watchful for some alarming symptoms. Now coronavirus will definitely impact and be of a serious type in people having a low immunity, and hence all of us can help and pay attention for them. Now as we all know, the most common symptoms seen with corona are fever, dry cough, tiredness or fatigue. Now when the symptoms are there, they can still be managed at home itself. All you have to do is watch out for serious symptoms. That is when you should consult a doctor immediately. Especially if you see difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, or you are feeling chest pain or pressure in the chest, or you are having loss of speech or loss of movement. Now, there are also some less common symptoms like loss of taste or smell, some skin rash or sore throat too. But I want to bring your attention to one very important finding. See, early research and analysis shows that one very common symptom that may be overlooked is stomach upset. Yeah, recent studies throughout the world have found that roughly 20 to 30% of people, or roughly 1/3 of people who are corona positive, they reported stomach upset as their only symptom, or they may have fever or cough along with the stomach upset. They had either or one of these 4 symptoms: nausea, vomiting, loose motions and stomach ache. Most of them had a lack of appetite or no desire to eat at all. Now, as you all know, these symptoms can be due to so many other reasons, including stomach infection or food poisoning or acute gastroenteritis that is so common in our country. But if you are corona positive, then these symptoms may slow down your recovery, or these symptoms may worsen as you get sicker. Now let us look at why this is happening. See, whenever you have any virus attack, what it does is that it destroys the healthy cells and then it replicates itself and makes multiple copies of itself. Corona primarily attacks the lungs and cause pneumonia, but now studies indicate that it may also impact and harm your digestive system and liver as well. So what should you do? Now if you are having nausea or vomiting, loose motions or stomach ache, it doesn't mean that you have corona. But if you are having these symptoms and you are also having some medical conditions like diabetes, hypertension, kidney disease or old age, then it is definitely better to pay extra attention, especially during these pandemic times. Also, if you are having symptoms and you are living in an area where there are more positive patients, then you should be extra careful. Now what you can do? You can stay home. Most people get mild infection of corona, so you don't have any breathing difficulty. There is in fact no need to go to the hospital. Second, isolate yourself at home. If possible, you should isolate yourself from your family members. Use a different washroom or a toilet and a different bedroom as well. Third, wash your hands more often for at least 20 seconds, especially after using the washroom, touching the doorknobs, when you sneeze or blow your nose, or before you have food. Fourth, have more electrolytes. If you are having vomiting and loose motions, then have electrolyte based drinks. Also have more juices. You can also make lemonade and add some extra salt to make up for all the lost electrolytes. Lastly, have a simple diet. Now having curd or curd rice or bananas or khichdi, it helps in controlling loose motions. Try it out. Now when should you go to your doctor? You can in fact wait for about 2 days even if you have all these symptoms. Remember, if your symptoms are due to some infection or food poisoning, they will usually go away in 48 hours. But if they persist for more than 2 days, there are two possibilities. One, it can be a more serious bacterial infection, or second, it can be an early sign of corona infection. So reach out to your doctor if the symptoms persist for more than 2 days. You should also reach out to your doctor immediately if you have these three signs. First, if you are severely dehydrated, you have a dark colored urine, or you have a dry mouth and tongue, you are feeling extremely weak or are feeling dizzy. Second, if you have loose motions in which there is blood, or you are having black colored loose motions, or you have a severe stomach ache. And third, if you are also feverish, or you are having cough or having difficulty in breathing along with these symptoms. Watch out for these symptoms and please take care and stay safe. Thank you. Stay connected and watch out for many more such informative videos. If you have not yet liked and followed our Facebook page and subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do it now. Thank you and take care and stay safe. Thank you.